Now onto the piece that a lot of people don't think VCAC can even do, or they're like, "Whoa, why would you do that?" Right? Physical management interfaces. Whoa, right? It's funny, we're in a virtual world now where everything's virtualized, and you don't even think about the need for physical servers a lot of times, but we do. Whether it's a hypervisor, right, provisioning ESXi or Hyper-V or whatever it is, or there's other use cases where you need a physical host. This really, it becomes important. It comes into play here. So we'll look at the supported physical management interfaces now as well. So for Dell servers, we support the iDRAC 6 and iDRAC 7 cards. Now, if you're not familiar with these, iDRACs, ILO, IPMI, these are all out-of-band management cards, meaning you have all the components on the server, right? You have your CPU, your memory, your network cards. Well, how do you manage that server from the time it turns on and boots into the BIOS till the time you shut it down? Well, we have these external management cards, and what they provide us are things like console access, so you can see as if you were sitting there at the physical server. They provide us the ability to mount ISOs. They're good for remote monitoring and performance and temperature, right? So they're really quite useful. So the integration here is that we can do something like maybe we kickstart or we pixie boot, right, a server from the network. Through one of these cards, we can mount an ISO. We can control the power on, power off of a physical server, and really do the whole OS install process, start to finish, by using the control of this management card. And that's really where the power comes in, the ability to integrate with those. So for Dell servers, again, iDRAC 6 and 7. For HP servers, we support ILO 3 and ILO 4. For Microsoft, Hyper-V 2008 R2 SP1 is supported. And then for Cisco, UCS Manager 2.0 and 2.1 are supported. So that covers the major vendors. Now, again, if the product has an API, we can integrate with it. These are just the out of the box ones that I called out specifically that are supported, but your use cases are really limitless.